Hi everybody, Patty Ann here, and I want to show you what I do to get ready to put my vinyl on a mug. So I use alcohol first, and I put a little bit on a paper towel to make sure that it's really clean where I'm going to put my vinyl. And then I let it dry very well, and it doesn't take long for alcohol to dry. Lid on. Okay, the next thing that I do, or maybe I would have even done this before I cleaned it, was I would measure on my mug how much area I have that I want to use. So according to this, I have about, let's say, 3 inches or so by maybe 3.5 inches. So that's what I'm going to keep my design limited to when I'm making it in Design Space. So here's the first thing that I did. I've already done it. It's for Valentine's Day, and I've already weeded it, and it's ready to go on. The other thing that's going to go on is still on my mat. It's just 2 little hearts. Let's see if I can get them started here with just my fingernail. I should have had my tools. Here we go. Okay, there we go. Just 2 little hearts, like that. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Cricut transfer paper. This is the regular one, not the strong one. And all you do is you start it at the back and pull it off. You can actually pull off as much as you need. But do know that you can reuse this stuff. So after I use it, I'll put it back on the shiny side. Don't put it on the papery side. I've done that before and it just ruins your transfer tape. So you put it back on the shiny side. So I'm going to use this. I like to start off to the side a little bit and then just kind of press it down with my finger. Then I take my burnishing tool and burnish it, and then I start pulling it off. Okay, this is coming off really well. Look at that. I hope you can see. Yeah. Okay, this is perfect. Very easy. So what I've used here is the Cricut vinyl and the Cricut transfer tape. So now I'm just going to put this on here, starting at one side again and going towards the other, smoothing it down. Okay, then I will use my burnishing tool a little bit. Then I'll just start peeling this back off. There you go. Look at that. It's leaving it right on my mug. So far so good. If I see any pieces that are kind of lifting up, I just simply press them down. Some people say to go like with a rocking motion. I'll try that a little bit. Okay, before I lose track of this paper, I am going to put it back on this sheet. I wish the sheet would stay. Let me roll it a little tiny bit. There we go. Okay. Come on, you. So I'm going to put it sticky side down onto the shiny side of the carrier sheet. Best I can. Doesn't have to be perfect. There you go. So this can be used again and again and again. And of course I'm going to have to use it again, or maybe not. Maybe I will just lift these off. If I bend this a little bit, they should start coming off some. And I can just pick it up actually, because it's just one piece, and put it where I wanted to put it. And on this case, I wanted to put it right like this, and the other one's going to go right down here. Like that. Okay, I'm going to continue burnishing this down a little bit more. I think I'll put a little piece of this carrier sheet that I had left over on top so I don't accidentally bring anything up, and just burnish it a bit more on all parts. Okay, that should be I love how I throw things. It should be pretty good. So this is another one that I've made that I'm going to test. This one I'm going to wait for 24 hours and I'm going to test it in the dishwasher. So thanks for joining me. Please subscribe and also tell your friends about this. Thank you. Bye.